Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an R Sketch app. First, download the R Sketch app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the application to see its clean interface. Take a moment to explore the main drawing canvas and the toolbars located around the edges. Understanding where everything is will make your sketching process much smoother and more efficient. This initial step is crucial for a great creative experience. Now, let's dive into the essential drawing tools. You can select from a variety of brushes, including pencils, pens, and markers, each offering a unique texture. Easily adjust the brush size and opacity using the intuitive sliders to achieve your desired effect. Don't worry about making errors. The eraser tool is always available for quick corrections. Experiment with these tools to find what works best for your artistic vision. To enhance your sketches, try using layers. Adding new layers helps organize different elements, allowing you to edit them independently without affecting other parts of your artwork. Experiment with the diverse color palettes and blending modes to create stunning visual effects. Remember, the undo and redo functions are your best friends for making precise adjustments and refining your work. These features offer immense creative flexibility. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to save and share it. You can save your finished artwork in various file formats, such as JPEG or PNG, ensuring compatibility. Share your creations directly to your favorite social media platforms to showcase your talent to friends and followers. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is key, and this bottle is fantastic for on-the-go use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.